Hello from Camper Corner Family RV Center in Roseburg. Today we're featuring a 2015 Mercedes Leisure Travel Van, Unity Series, model U241B. This 25-foot Class C mini motorhome has a powerful diesel engine and lots of external storage options. There's a large canopy on the passenger side and tinted windows that offer privacy and a great view. Inside, you'll see comfy seats and an attractive dash with lots of great features. The kitchen has a 2-burner stove with plenty of counter space. There are a couple of extra seats as well. Here's a microwave, and this fridge runs on gas or electric, and it's real roomy and clean inside. As we head on back to the bedroom, you'll see that there's plenty of storage space all around, with attractive wood cabinets and drawers. Plus, there's a TV up above so you can kick back and watch your shows. The stylish bathroom features a vanity and a full shower. So come check out this 2015 Mercedes Leisure Travel Van, Unity Series, model U241B. At Camper Corner Family RV Center, just off I-5 in Roseburg.